24 matches now. Eba so neba be di games no ho nkomo de. But Nsoatreman a team Ghana Premier League omo su bobi. Na anra ana am de babonten se ye league na ye bo no mo kan ba se sia de. Omo bobi a enye ye omo yi omo ho enso de film. Jafo no team monfa Nsoatreman Football Club. Omo statement no and to Facebook in 104.5 and a tier for a permission. Me person me can krata na Nsoatreman for no ede eba abonteno. I say the General Secretary Ghana Football Association Accra Ghana. Na letter no minim se na mistake o se din yo dey no the troll letter no. By month ni dey by March 2025. And your first thing. And now almost say dear say Goviana now see.
Me see all kind of music make me pay attention to that.
Because
but I say what let as a day anyway.
Day anyway. What let that be?
A little bit problematic.
If you make say or more type na.
It's American today.
Do you man kind
what they told us. Say I like say almost on social media handles.
All right.
So let's see.
I said dear say withdraw from the also another mistake be 204/2025 Ghana Premier League.
204.
204.
2024.
And I said 2024 no.
No more pentemejai. To also the
And I read, I say we write to respectively withdraw from the ongoing Ghana Premier League and any other competition organized by the Ghana Football Association due to concerns over the security and the safety of our players. We are forced to take this decision due to recent events involving our matches with Kumasi, Asante, Kotoko, and Samatex, which we officially wrote to your high office. In light of this, we can no longer guarantee the safety of our players. Therefore, management and board of directors are left with no choice but to prioritize the safety and security of our players by withdrawing from the league. We regret any inconveniences this decision may cause. Thank you for your cooperation. Sincerely signed, the club president, Ena Omrikate, and so at the Eba Abontikovi. Mensai and Shasi and Fenfri Ho. I'm the league, you know. So we take that time can ya. I'm not saying after I'm only Kotoko boy, and it's a Yabani from home a venue. And there's some Kobo game no away. In fact, that is air dance park. Now when I'm council air Kobo a Samatex on Monday. Na any pebi attack boss no. Almost say almost security is at stake. Na among say baby at the end do na and the league na so mu jaibo because ntimi protect players management and the penny bia o katim no bia no e come as some life no aye bibia ho anti league no ntimi ento aso biem asema kan ti say de na ayala ebusa Henry Asante Tumi just cause we movie.
So just cause no me determination or honor, but then essentially big one no DFA would have to decide which BBN we are here important than Nipanko.
Okay.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Not the amount of money there should be bimu, not association and same and as a bisa. Say yenu free mono. Say nipa mo free mo because of data. Nature say yensia be bien free mo. Yenya any positive effects bien free side. It is an American result ultimately. And I think that Nsoatreman is saying this off the back of Nesi Ukukum. It's alleged say Omonam Council. Some people attacked them. And Rich, this was a time and there was a police escort even with them.
Police would do money.
Yeah, but still Nipa attack him. Rich, Unim say Nsoatreman air call emphasis from how to Enyinasia. Police escorts the only thing anyone could do Enyinasio. Ebi obedin anima could be a Western region baby.
No jam.
We Jano Krem. hoping that ebe mudo in Asikroma there is another police arrangement to protect them and get them out of that place. Which so what's the letter? The tone of the letter a defeat tone. So Omadia to me say Omubenya bam body a bomb bono ebe. They don't think that the Ghana Football Association can help them get that. And they don't think also say the Ghana Police Service ebetimi protect you the real niyama kono.
And Jana nan common train. Now they think in nano. Ka this weekend games, you know. Omun trauma FN say look, ye nam kwanso aye ko baby ni no.
Also a trauma no. Okay, later no so catch you say.
And your first one answer some never from.
There be omen
yes so more withdraw from the league.
Omen there be omen say Kotoko any Samatex games no. Or unza okay later no can say the Kumasi Santi Kotoko and Samatex games which we officially
brought to the FA.
2 games no. They're floating to the FA. And the recent one is Samatex again no.
Which your mom security.
And security no more exactly.
And to be median say, I don't know more sign engage if any beam say look.
Wait for how long this will be a Nissan go to answer. You see, my worry is a genuinely seeing to me more another form of security because it's not trying to say the problem hasn't in itself solved. And then I made to say yes, say edu Nsoatreman for unano the donations kakra but it was rejected because which I think Nsoatreman has to do the right thing as a club. Omo responsibility. Say omo be reach out to the tradition. You see, luckily for them, Kotoko a traditional club, and your traditions. Uti Henry Asante Chungu kase nipa efuma ye obaja nenego na say ye ntwa 9 nchene ye paper. Iti me sure say Janto abemwa. The sad thing, however, is that there is a larger regional, interregional issues also undertones the wasi. Sure. But still, it can be dealt with. Because me I say Nsoatreman a free league in him. I say we've not I say it at the dents kakrabas as the intimate solve the problem no. And yakako pe union echi krabie kama. But nipo nanga so di bono no yes he is on the run yen cheno. And police for try some bet on bet cheno. Then Nsoatreman funny believe he say, hey, adia ye nkofo ma o because rich no can say enye obi obo Nsoatreman na ye Nsoatreman ni. And you see Kofi the amasa na
achefo the amasa na and say Nsoatreman for say so tie dia it means team no go move no.
Yes rich and
players obi livelihood no
yeah
and no de hwe yire ne ma. It means that say players no sabi almost dwuma e baba bo mo. The indigenous people no more one Nsoatreman football no more to the Germany because has beba town. Kotoko beba town we all no man hokrana. Eje ton ade kakra ne ade no. There's activities in no.
Yes. But Rich, you see, the truth of the matter is how way and important in chain nipa nkwa. And club na catch players no. And Koma Zando money omo closing say the club is folding. Omo lawyers will reach out to the players and find ways to abrogate the contracts mutually. Because some years more multimedia. Na me ba na multimedia intimi safeguard me safety. Se bibi to me wa ha. Na se bi ni okra me busia for every right to take them on. It's multimedia channel adwuma no on team safeguard me no me safety. Na se so abrogate no kon baby. No pe kon be compensate players no. And that is why I'm worried because I say we want to find a way, but the way now hasn't come. I don't know, say, Nsoatreman and making the needed steps now because for me, what I know is say, so making needed steps now. Yes, we didn't want that to happen, but see, we move on from there. I don't think, say, in 2025, there is any civilized person out of Kotoko. Or I guess the Kotoko Nsoatreman could be any entry to Kuya. There be. Okay. For me, 14 Nsoatreman bebre se o match mo feel grima enye ye because e nipa nkwa no mo de ye adwuma no but from bi so no as e say idioma e san so chere say ade na say enkoda sa
say mo Bremen Nsoatreman foi o mo redraw ide na de ba Susan so be na de ba league